Okay, Dave Parrish here again. Here's my video for today. Let me get rid of this. Logos in NextGen. I'm going to say there's a little bit of heads up here. Compare Classic with NextGen. They both handle logos, but NextGen's a little different and there's some limitations there. So we're going to get into that. Make this smaller. Get out of this stuff. And let's open up an app. This is a little task manager app that I made as a case here. If you look at my task management, it has this logo. And it's this logo over here. Nice little logo that's vertically or horizontally oriented, which the Knack folks tell me it's better to have it vertically oriented. I don't know why. Vertical, there's not enough space to put something here. This space up here lends itself to horizontal. And I don't really like this. This task thing is unaligned with my logo. But there's ways to tweak that. I'm not concerned about that. So the way Knack handles this, if you remember or do this, here, live app design, you go to header, you go down to logo. Now, all I have to do is drag my logo in here, which it is here, and see that right here. And then you can size it. Right here, there's a scale. That's too small, that's too big. Maybe the biggest is its resolution from the logo I showed you. I think that or maybe it goes a little bigger until it won't distort itself. But that's what we got here. Works really well. It's intuitive. Now here's the deal we got over here with NextGen. First, if you let me get rid of this gen already. But it was Classic. I told it to go to NextGen. I think it loses the logo. You gotta re-put it in. Now I've experienced that a couple times, which isn't a big deal. I can't guarantee that's always the case. Well, let's now do the logo here. I don't have any logo in here. I just have this thing. So let's go put in a logo. The way you're going to do that in NextGen, you're going to go over to your themes. I have a custom theme, which is a really nice thing. Thank you, Knack, for this. Then this thing called brand assets. You're going to click on brand assets. And that's where logo stuff. And I'm going to drop my logo in here. There it is. Let's save it, make it active. I haven't done any tweaking. I just dragged my logo into there. Let's go look at this. Well, it's there. Sort of flare. It's not the size I wanted. So let's see what we can do there. I think the logo usage is where this is. And it has logo size. It has one of these sliders again. But appears to be at the maximum, which is nowhere close to the size of my actual logo up here. But let's go see. I do this. I put it minimum size. Yeah, I haven't tested it out, but you don't want any smaller. I don't know why you need that, but maybe it's how it renders on different browsers that I control that. But I just made it smaller. I was already small. Now can't even see it. Go back here. I guess you could play around with this. Let's make it half the size. Well, that doesn't work either. So our only option, and I talked to Knack's support about this. They said this is the expected behavior. Change, make active. This is the largest it could be. Which again, isn't anywhere close to this size, which you think would align. But let's go here. We did that. This is the largest it can be, which doesn't work for me. And I did talk to Knack support, and they gave me some way to custom code and make it bigger. I haven't tried that because I don't want to deal with custom code for this. I might as a way to get it done. But I got my logo. It is big enough. Why can't it handle it? And they said, I mentioned this, the expected behavior, all that I showed you for NextGen. So you want some serious logo stuff done? You're either going to do code or you're not going to do it in NextGen. That's what I got.